I often got the hustle when I'm traveling to keep track of everything, the dates, the flights and the stuff I want to do. Especially when the booking confirmations are hidden between all the emails I get on a daily basis. A cool new tool which I found very helpful is Momondo's My Trip feature, which lets you organize your trips easily and gives you a simple overview of your bookings. It's quite simple. Just go to the Momondo website, then log in, and there you can log in with Facebook, Google, or simply your email address. When you're then on the My Trips page, you can see your past trips down here, like for example the Copenhagen trip. And the cool thing is, from all your bookings you did, the confirmation goes automatically onto the Momondo My Trip page and gives you a simple overview, like here for the flights from Berlin-Tegel to Copenhagen and also the return flights, which shows you the confirmation number, also the name and stuff like this. It's a great tool. But now I want to check out how you're gonna do with when you create a new trip. Like for example, I go here, then I want to go to Vienna. And I call this New Year's Eve because that's around the corner. And so I say from here until the 2nd or so. My itinerary is now empty, but I can go to find a flight, find a hotel, find a car. But when I go to find a hotel, it already takes the dates and all the stuff I inserted before and checks for the cheapest hotels around. I think that's quite a cool feature. For the build your bucket list, that's a cool thing. Like I want to see the Schloss. I want to go to the Schloss Schönhausen. Then I can add this here as well. Or Schönbrunn. And it will show up easily here. Also I can make for the first 12th. And this way you can build up your own bucket list, what you actually want to do while you're there. So it's actually quite a powerful feature, and yeah, just play around with it, have some fun, and otherwise safe travels. Ciao.